Can I have a sandwich, please?
I guess we could get Howl.
I got a better idea.
He's not good, but he's not.
No.
They need someone.
No.
Or Aqua.
We can give them Aquaman.
Yeah, Aqua's actually pretty good. Now that he doesn't use the Liberty Launcher.
He doesn't use the.
Ah, damn it, it didn't work. Oh, I know what I can do now.
Aqua started using the Aquamarine.
Dude, hold on. We need more brass piece heavies up in here.
How many?
Wow.
I don't have a brass piece, fuck.
How do you not have a brass beast?
I sold my strange one.
Alright, I got it now.
Oh, you know, competitive.
This is competitive gaming right here.
Competitive.
Don't worry guys, I'm still playing Scout. I can do it.
Does anyone want to get a comment on what I did with my name and profile picture?
This is what happens when you screw with the best.
Okay guys, here we go. Alright,
Fucking got him, boys.
Medic down.
This is what Highlander is meant to be.
It won't
Wait, I
let me
need a screenshot.
We got this.
Screenshot.
Where the fuck are you, sniper?
What?
I don't have a brass piece.
Oh my god. Get a fucking piece of shit. It's alright, we got this. I have to reach my
No,
eye.
dude, he doesn't even know.
Oh my god!
Dude, he doesn't even know.
Wait,
Behind it.
Dude, he don't. Dude, they don't even know.
Give
Dude,
me a
they don't-
sec.
This is, I'm falling behind now.
Oh my god.
There's an NG behind us guys.
I'm gonna disguise as
Oh
like
god,
a...
their NG hit me.
I'm gonna disguise as a
What
heavy.
do?
Okay, I'll disguise as a heavy now.
Friendly heavy disguise.
Oh!
Oh, I see their
This is
engines.
so
oh, their
dumb.
engine's fucked.
We're taking some serious hits guys.
Guys, I'll give you a sandwich, guys. I got a sandwich for you.
I got a steak sandwich. We're so damn slow.
This is so great. I'm almost at ammo.
They haven't. They're snipers
Wolfman, get
behind
out.
us, guys.
You know what? There's no point. Stay in the channel. There's not even zeros anymore.
He's disguised as the heavy. Oh my god. They got me.
Are you guys still waiting on the enemy?
Yeah.
I think
their
you should
team's
give up.
joining us now.
This is not.
No, I got headshot.
Oh no!
Oh, you got me.
Collateral!
Oh wow, nice.
He said it in chat. It would be a shame if someone used a Machina.
Let's fucking go.
Oh Christ.
All the way back safe. Not all
This is way
fucking
too
always
easy.
charged up.
Fucking baby back
Let's do
ribs.
this. This is how we roll.
I'm gonna go stab people with
Sniper
my light
down.
bulb launcher.
Send more brass.
You actually can't move if you crouch. I didn't realize that you just can't move if you crouch.
Yeah, right. Oh, he's spy crabbing. Leave him. He's friendly. He's a good person.
Okay, guys. When we actually start the stream, everybody should take Cave Johnson's profile picture and do some weird variation off his name, so they can't tell who our med is. So it's like Cave Johnson down, and they'll be like, which one?
You guys are so damn slow.
Look at the fucking sniper with the brass beast. That's not a spy or anything.
What are you talking about?
Do you see that shit?
I'm not a sniper.
No, there was an enemy spy with a disguised as sniper holding the brass beast.
Alright, how about this, guys? It's enemy medic, you won't expect it. I mean, enemy heavy. Alright, whatever.
Oh man.
Dude, you lost one.
Oh, damn, that grazed right by my ear. My ear is now gone. Rest in peace, ear. What? What? Okay. Guys, you got a sticky trap.
Wait, guys, we need to crouch. Come on.
I'll get there really fast if we crouch.
Robin doesn't like fun.
Really, with the classic? Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Oh, the scrim is a disaster.
This is Highlander, right?
Yep.
We
About
made
sums it up.
Welcome to Plat.
And they said Brass Beast Heavy wasn't viable.
Do any of you men have a sandwich I could eat?
Oh,
That's okay, I
no!
understand.
Oh
I understand.
no!
Are we just gonna spawn camp?
Yeah.
Well, that's what the Brass Beast is for.
I feel kind of useless right now with my
My
disguise.
God.
He got Robin got wiped off the face of the earth.
Oh, you can't walk up inclines. I'm almost down. I'm running back to the dispenser. Here we go. Do you guys think I'll make it? Oh. That hell. Okay.
Fucking seen that speed.
I'm just gonna like, where's the dispenser? I'm just
Oh, I
gonna
see
camp
heavies
here
in
and build
there.
out my strength.
Got someone?
If I get a hail zone by the end of this evening, I'm going to quit the game. Okay?
Uninstall right there and then.
I mean, like leave the lobby because it's gonna take too long.
We have a sentry now? Oh no! I got backstabbed.
I know what we need now. There's only one thing to make this circle jerk complete. And
What
you'll
the
know
fuck
what it
am I
is.
looking at?
Fuck even is this?
Wait, what's wrong, Ryan?
So when you guys decide to stop doing that, I'm always here for War Thunder. You want to do that?
Can any of you not gonna be on tomorrow?
I'll be on.
I'm gonna be on tomorrow.
I'm
gonna be here.
I guess
I
I
have
gotta
a
should I
plane
get
ride tomorrow.
You might not be on.
I have a plane ride.
I can't make it to the dispenser.
I might not be on, but also I'm pretty sure you guys won't need me, so yeah.
Still not here, so I'm still probably gonna sub sniper.
Oh, okay.
And
sure
I
if
don't
you're
know.
not here, we can move alien to soldier, and I can scout.
No,
There's
I
spy
think
and Viz, spy left the room and Viz, watch out.
it depends because there's people coming to look at our house at 6. So
Well,
they
if you schedule it at 9:30.
they should be done.
Dear
Right,
God,
that's
look
not
at this
good.
thing.
Spy heavy.
I'm gonna blue try to see if. Oh yeah, he's still up there.
He's
Guys,
gone,
some
dude.
more, babies.
I guess we'll have to talk to him tomorrow then.
Unless, from some miracle, he comes on and the scrim starts now.
Oh, that'd be so good.
Everybody's just on this team. I want to go on the enemy team to see what try to escape.
It'd be pretty easy. Dead Ringer, spy.
I'm not doing Dead Ringer. I'm gonna do like in the squad.
Not anymore. He gets destroyed.
Spy heavy, stay heavy.
Nah, you'd
spy.
still get away.
If I sneak by, I get bonus points.
Oh, he's on our team.
That doesn't
now.
count.
Hey Mason. He's a cool guy. This is how it's fucking done. This is how we win in Highlander.
No.
Oh, and there's a spy. Backstabs for days.
Oh wow, Kirk got a lot of you.
Don't worry, I have a
teleporter.
teleporter.
died. What the fuck just happened?
There's another spee.
This is the best scrim I've ever had.
Oh, he's camping the telly.
No!
It's Cave.
Spy
Cave's
here.
camping the telly.
Yeah, of course he is.
And that's how the cookie crumbles.
Shooting at nothing right now.
Only
Plus
the
attack
greatest
GG.
play Highlander like this. They're
Is this the new
literally
meta?
flat.
My strange ranked up guy.
Why are we even still in this order?
This is the greatest.
What are you doing, crab cakes? What the hell? It shoots at the door.
Somebody get a cow mangler and just unload.
Heavy is the new metagame.
Why you guys are shooting at the door? That's not fair. Screw off.
Ready up, guys, ready up.
What is this game? You can shoot through the door now. Wow. Wow.
We're going
Shit,
now.
wait, what the fuck? No.
Not Martilio Porter.
Are we just playing with them down a player?
No.
Oh shit, I'm sorry,
Oh shit, there are guys
Oh wow.
Whoa,
Why would
in. Yo,
you
there are
wait?
guys in. Yo,
Rearrange
What the
teams.
cancel it, cancel it, cancel it.
Start it over.
Wait, their guy
Restart,
isn't in.
restart.
There's still only 17 people.
Oh my
No,
god.
they have their fulls.
Save them there.
5 plus 12 does not
You
equal.
traitor.
And half
got
of their
this.
team is on our team.
I'm needed
I
somewhere
always
else.
knew you were a fucking cheater.
This is best team, guys.
Yeah, everybody's here. It looks
we
like,
go.
but we have to turn this off right now. Like, somebody restart.
Okay, we have 18 people.
Captain's point.
I'm capping.
Alright.
Capping, guys.
Capping.
Spy on point, spy dead.
My one mouse button is stuck. I'm just shooting without touching the button.
Spy heavy? Not spy heavy?
Let's get put up on scrim.
Demi, I got you.
That was beautiful.
I got Uber.
I'm sorry,
I'm gonna go back. If you put that on YouTube, I'm gonna go back and watch it like every other day, just to remind me of how great this day was.
We need an engineer, please.
Talk to him about rescheduling. This is cancer.
This
Everyone's
is so
here.
bad.
No, that guy just left.
Oh my god, really?
We need an engineer.
Yeah, I think we're done. I think this is it.
I'm
We're
asking,
already
I'm asking.
fucking, like 2 hours late.
No, this is the real match. No.